turning around here in the harbor to travel a bit further out towards the sea. And I would just like to warn some people here in the front, because it is a bit windy, there are some waves, so can be.
So I finally made it to Gothenburg most famous boat tour, and I can say I'm super excited for this journey. To think this place has been running since 1923. It was finally time to get in, and I'm gonna lie, I'm super excited.
Endast enskilda familjer kan man säga. Så de här stora husen vi ser här, de var hem för endast en familj tillsammans med deras tjänstefolk. And the Great Main Street was built here for families, you could say. So each one of these buildings appeared reaching out into the harbor. They filled in that part during the 1800s when they transformed Gothenburg. And quite frankly, really disgusting. Jag har säkert sett en hel del spårvagnar, och vi har haft spårvagnar här sedan slutet av 1800-talet, men då vuxna med hästar. Våra spårvagnar blev elektrifierade under 1900-talet. The statue is supposed to represent the moment when Gothenburg was founded. The king was supposedly stood on a mountain nearby called Otterhällan, pointed down to the swamp like so, and said, "This is where the city shall be." The first one was built here in the early 1600s, early 1620s. For all those people that were hired here from Scotland, Poland, and Germany to help us build Gothenburg City. And it was the daughter of the king, by the name of Naija, who gave them the rights to practice the religion here in Gothenburg. So the true name of this church is the Naija Church. Rakt framför oss har vi också ett stort, vitt och vackert skepp. Here in this museum, they have gathered both military and non-military ships and submarines, which you are allowed to visit. Fartyget närmar sig till oss här. So during the 1950s, Sweden was one of the world's largest producers of ships. Gothenburg played.
Just take a look at how beautiful this city is. Wow. Gothenburg truly is a beauty.
Before that, the fishmongers would sell their fish along the canals here year-round. But luckily enough, they realized it wasn't very sanitary to sell fish straight from the ground. And so they built a fish church to sell fish in and boat traffic here in the canals. And so to be able to pass by the very low bridges, they put wheels on them to be able to swim them around.